My brothers and sisters, you find a common pattern amongst the companions that whenever they came to the Prophet ﷺ, they always asked him, "O Prophet of Allah, what is the most beloved to Allah?" And he tells us ﷺ that the most beloved action to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the action that is small but consistent, that Allah loves this more than the action that is large but a one-off. And this most certainly applies when it comes to charity. One Ummah is a charity organization that operates on a 100% donation policy. They do great works like providing clean water, food, aid, shelter, responding to natural disasters, and they do this in many countries around the world. So for as little as £5 a month, you can share in the rewards of everything that they do and offer to the Ummah by subscribing to the ongoing Sadaqah fund. And this is a great way in doing little but consistently and earning great rewards with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This charity has been around for over 10 years and I've personally known them for over 10 years. I've personally worked with them for over 10 years and they're not paying me to do this, wallah, but this is a charity that I trust. And I trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I want you to benefit and get the most out of your charity. So click on the link below and act now.